Alright guys, today we're going to be playing Fun Monkey Horror. The new Gorilla Tag horror game that just came out not too long ago actually. The other one got blocked because the other people here with Root Beer VR and the other people that
What's the code?
that owned Gorilla Tag Horror was toxic and they deleted the game. So some other people made a new one. So now I put in the new one.
What's the code?
Alright, what's the code? I'm filming the video, guys. What's the code?
What's the code? Right here. What?
Alright, so
Right here.
M R
I love
V.
Join code OP. Should we do Area 51? Guys, join
That's the
code
same.
OP
Alright,
if you want to
go
play
to
Area
it.
51.
Alright, Modder.
Why cave?
How'd you guys get mine?
Okay, I'm not telling you. The host isn't even here yet. Or are
We're going here, Sigmas. Come on, Sigmas.
We're not really allowed to tell you. That's what I'm going to tell you.
Come on, W.
Guys, let's go down.
Wait.
Let's go down to the caves. This is my old favorite map. Before it got the new update.
I'm Skibbity Riz scared.
Scooby was scared.
I don't see him. I don't see the monster.
Yeah, because he's on the floor somewhere.
That's what I'm looking.
Guys, let's go into caves. Oh no, I'm on the oh, shoot!
Oh, there he is.
Oh, that scared me so bad.
Okay, I'm gonna go because I have mouse.
Bro, they made one of the best.
Oh, bro, he's not moving. I'm scared.
He's stuck.
He's stuck, Chad. Yeah, he's right there.
Where's Goofy?
Hi, Skibbity Riz person.
Goofy. Oh, bro. Oh, frick, where's my light? Where's my light? Alright, there we go. Nah, bro, he's probably like glitching out, and then once he's done glitching out, he'll come at you.
Y'all are gonna die.
I dare someone to get jump scared.
Yo, go to mine for funny shiny rocks.
Bro, go into mines. Oh my gosh, there's...
Somebody get jump scared.
Yo, this is so sick.
I've already seen the jump scare. It is creepy AF. Jump! Jump in!
Oh man.
He died.
Yo, where's the monster at?
He died, but
Bro, stay away from me. Where's the monster at?
It's on the floor. He's still stuck.
Yeah, he's stuck. Where's it at? I don't like
He's
it.
right there.
Look at this Goofy. Oh shoot, oh shoot. Oh, that was close.
Monkey! Dogs are thinking.